Hi everyone, this is Matthew from ABC Power Tools, and today I'm going to be explaining to you the difference between the SH and the BG56C blowers. So these two units appear to be identical, however there's one major difference. The SH56C comes with a mulch blade on the impeller here. So as it pulls the leaves in, it's actually going to mulch them up and then put them into the bag. So the SH56C is a dedicated vacuum that can be converted to a blower, while the BG56C is predominantly a blower, and you can buy the kit to turn it into a vacuum for more money later on. So I'm going to explain to you quickly how to convert the SH56C into the vacuum attachment. All you need here is a small tool to push the tabs out. So I'm going to start by pushing this tab down and then taking off the lock. From here, the tube comes off nicely, and I can actually break them down into smaller two pieces for storage. And then within your box, you also get a bag, a manual, two large tubes for the vacuum, and then a tube that leads to the bag. So you're going to start by using your tool, and you're going to open up this cage right here. And then I'm going to put these together first. So the most important thing here is you want to line up these arrows. So all the Stihl units are going to have arrows you're going to line up together. Push them together. Like so, and then now I'm going to attach it onto the blower, onto the vacuum. Once again, I want to line up the arrows right here and here. Push the vacuum tube into place and secure with the lock. The airflow is going to go in here and then outwards this way. So next, I'm going to attach my bag. So I'm going to start with my tube. Once again, line up the arrows and lock them in place. Now, the bag can actually be adjusted slightly. And from here, now you're going to attach your bag. Open it up. It has a zipper on the bottom pouch to empty out the leaves. And then I'm just going to attach this strap end right onto the tube. Once you have it on, secure with the strap so it doesn't come off. And the blower will also come with a strap, which you're going to secure onto the loops. And there you go. So that's how you can convert your SH56C from a blower into a vacuum.